Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool that every outdoor enthusiast should consider, the Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Leaf Blower. We found this product online and included the link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Leaf Blower? This electric leaf blower is designed for those who want a hassle-free experience while tackling outdoor cleanup tasks. It's compatible with Dewalt's 20V Max battery, which means you can enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. However, please note that the battery and charger are sold separately. Now, let's talk about performance. This blower packs a serious punch with an impressive wind speed of up to 160 miles per hour and an air volume of 700 cfm. With its 12-blade axial design, it's built to handle tough messes with ease. Whether you're clearing leaves from your driveway, gutters, or patio, this blower is designed to make the job not only quicker but also more efficient. One of the standout features of this leaf blower is its effortless operation. It comes with variable speed settings, allowing you to adjust the airflow according to your needs. Plus, the convenient trigger lock lets you maintain your desired speed without finger fatigue, making it perfect for those extended cleanup sessions. Storage and setup are also a breeze. The one-button design allows you to attach or detach the blower tube in seconds, no tools required. This means you can easily store it away after you're done without taking up much space. Comfort is key when using any tool, and Dewalt has ensured that with an ergonomic anti-slip grip. This design provides stability and comfort, even during long periods of use. Plus, the integrated base allows the blower to stand upright whenever you need to take a break, preventing any accidental tip-overs. So, who is this leaf blower suitable for? If you're a homeowner with a yard, a landscaper, or even someone who frequently enjoys outdoor activities, this tool is perfect.